हेलो एंड वेलकम टू प्रेजेंट मैम। स्टूडेंट्स, कल आपका बोर्ड का एग्जाम है, लेकिन स्टूडेंट्स मेरे से फिर वही सवाल पूछ रहे हैं कि हमने लेसन पढ़ा है, हमें आता है, लेकिन फिर भी जब हम आंसर्स लिखने लगते हैं तो हम कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, हमारे आंसर्स की क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं आती। तो आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ 15 वर्ड्स, ओनली 15 वर्ड्स, यानी कि 15 वर्ड्स जो अगर आपने यूज करने सीख लिए तो आपका आंसर थर्ड लेवल से फर्स्ट लेवल, फर्स्ट ग्रेड तक पहुंच जाएगा। सो स्टे विद मी टिल द एंड, बट बिफोर आई बिगिन आई वांट टू शेयर a formula, a 3-step formula with you to enhance and to improve your answers. Students, I have 26 years of experience as a CBSE examiner और अपने एक्सपीरियंस के आधार पर मैं आज आपको ये 3-step फॉर्मूला दे रही हूँ कि कैसे आप अपने सिंपल और बेसिक लेवल के आंसर को एडवांस्ड बना सकते हैं। Now, the first step of this formula is to make a clear statement based on the question. Say, for example, if the question is about the importance of compassion in transformation from the lesson The Rat Trap, what is that first direct statement you will make? So you will write the story The Rat Trap highlights the importance of compassion and human goodness. When you write something like this, you make the examiner understand that you know the theme. You understand what the core idea of the lesson is. You know that what the answer, what the question is asking. But now comes step 2. Now step 2 is that you refer to a character or incident from the story to illustrate your point. Say, for example, you can say this is evident when Edla treats the peddler with kindness despite knowing his true identity. Now, when you write your answer like this shows the examiner that you know the text. आपको मालूम है कि आपके टेक्स्ट में क्या लिखा है. And now comes step 3. Now, step 3 is all about showing your insight or interpretation. If we talk about the question and case, then we can say that this shows how empathy can transform even a misguided person. Now, the moment you add this line, this becomes analysis, this becomes interpretation, and it's this analysis that CBSE rewards. अगर आप इस तरह अपना क्वेश्चन का आंसर लिखेंगे, nobody can stop you from scoring full marks. So all those students who have been following me for getting 100 out of 100, this is your key. And finally, your answer becomes just these 3 lines. Now, this is exactly the kind of answer that examiners want and reward. Your answer need not be very long. You need to stick to the word limit. But your answer needs to have these 3 elements. First is the clear idea based on what the question is asking. The second is reference to the text. And finally, the third is meaningful insight. Students, CBSE paper is a competency-based question paper. It's not a memory-based paper. So competency-based questions में आपसे क्या पूछा जाता है? The paper setter wants you to understand and explain either an incident or a character. They want to know your analysis. They want to understand how you understand the lesson. What is your insight? Do you know the message of the lesson or not? So when you are writing the answers, keep this in mind. Always ask yourself what is the main idea, and secondly, which incident or character behavior proves it. So that becomes your key to unlocking your topper answers. And now moving on to the 15 words that I promised are really going to take your questions a level up. So when I talk about these 15 words, these are words that you can use in any of your answers to level them up. And the first word that is there is highlights. जहां पे भी आपने हाईलाइट यूज किया, नेचुरली आपका सेंटेंस एक कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस बन गया और आपके मार्क्स डेफिनेटली बढ़ गए. सो यू कैन से दैट द स्टोरी हाईलाइट्स द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ करेज. यू कैन से दैट द स्टोरी, अगर हम रैट ट्रैप की ही बात करें तो हम कह सकते हैं दैट द स्टोरी हाईलाइट्स द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ कंपैशन. सो द यूज द वर्ड हाईलाइट. दैट इज योर फर्स्ट वर्ड दैट यू नीड टू रिमेंबर. नाउ द सेकंड वर्ड इज emphasizes. So you can say that, in the third level, what is being emphasized, or, the character emphasizes, or the story emphasizes. So emphasizes is again a very important word. The moment you use it in an answer, your answer becomes top grade. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज सिंबलाइजेस. सिंबल्स की अगर हम बात करें तो आपके डिफरेंट लेसन्स में देयर आर वेरियस सिंबल्स, बट लुक्स लाइक मुझे रैट ट्रैप एकदम याद आ रहा है. द रैट ट्रैप सिंबलाइजेस द ह्यूमन ग्रीड. कैसे जो है दुनिया की कितनी सारी चीजें हैं विच आर रेडी टू ट्रैप यू इन द रैट ट्रैप. सो the moment you say symbolizes. Similarly, अगर deep water की बात करें, then the water symbolizes the challenges or the fears or the obstacles that come in your life. But the key thing to remember here is the word symbolizes. The moment you say this symbolizes this, believe me, your level goes up. And the next key word is represents. Yes, this represents this. You can talk about mother's old age. You can talk about how mother has been compared to the late winter's moon. And what does the late winter's moon represent? It represents the wan and pale face of mother. So the moment you say this represents this, you can talk about the poem Keeping Quiet. You can talk about how salt represents the wealth of this earth. You can talk about all the other lessons, but the key word to remember here is represents. What represents what? And the moment you write like that, you become a topper yourself. And the next word is suggests. स्टूडेंट्स आप में से कई लोगों ने मुझे नैरेटिव टेक्निक पर वीडियोस बनाने के लिए बोला है, एंड द मोमेंट यू टॉक अबाउट दैट this kind of narrative technique has been used and this suggests that fear is psychological. Again मैं डीप वाटर की बात कर रही हूँ कि डीप वाटर में आप देखिए कि जो राइटर विलियम डगलस है उन्होंने ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल स्टाइल ऑफ नैरेटिव टेक्निक को यूज किया है. तो क्या होता है इस टाइप ऑफ नैरेटिव टेक्निक से? दिस सजेस्ट्स. So the key word to remember here is what is suggesting what. And the next word here is illustrates. Word number 6. So you are talking about lost spring and you are talking about how poverty is illustrated by children who do not have money to buy shoes. हमारी सड़कों पर कितने बच्चे अभी भी ऐसे घूम रहे हैं जिनके पैरों में जूते नहीं हैं. And what does that illustrate? It illustrates the systemic failure. It illustrates the failure of laws to eradicate child labor and this kind of crushing poverty. So the key word to remember here is illustrate. And the next word here is reflects. Whenever you talk about reflect, how something, sometimes inner conflict is also reflected by what the people are behaving like, what is their behavior. So जब भी आप ये बात करें that this is how they are behaving, but what does it reflect? What does it show? The key word here is reflect. Another word that you must remember is reveals. How, you know, when you talk about the rat trap peddler's transformation, आपको कैसे पता चला कि वो ट्रांसफॉर्म हो गया? Now, that transformation is shown through his or her his behavior when he gives that rat trap as a gift to Edla. So his gesture, his act of giving shows his transformation. It reveals his transformation. So do use that word if you really want to take your questions one notch up. Another key word that you must use in your answers is portrays. Now you remember that lesson, memories of childhood. क्या होता है उस lesson में? In that story, you know, the authors have used the stories to portray the struggles of marginalized communities. आपने बामा की story पढ़ी, आपने जितकला सा की story पढ़ी. What have they done? They have portrayed their own struggles. Remember to use the word portrayed. Another key word is conveys. The poet conveys in the thing of beauty how nature is beautiful and how the beauty of nature is actually regenerative. The next word is reinforces. How an incident is used to reinforce the theme of the lesson. If we talk about again rat trap, then how Edla's behavior reinforces that human kindness has no limits, that human kindness can actually transform a person's life and behavior. Another word, underscores. All of you students who use computers know the value of underscoring, but in English the word underscore means when you want to highlight something. So how something has been used to underscore the main lesson of a lesson. So another word is depicts. Talk about lost spring again. You know how the narrative depicts the harsh conditions that the children are facing or going through in their life, how they are missing out on their childhood. All that is depicted in that beautiful lesson. Yes. Our word number 14 is this suggests irony. You know how in the Tiger King there is situational irony, how the death of the Tiger King suggests ironical outcomes. So do use that word. And finally, for writing your conclusions, you can use the word ultimately shows. So after you have written all that you want to write about your question, all that you want to write about your answer, you say that ultimately this shows that this was the lesson, this was the message that the writer, that the poet was trying to convey. So students, 15 words that can absolutely transform your answers. And the real trick is to use these words in the right way. So students, if you really want to transform your answers, do use these words and do let me know if they helped you. I hope this video finds you at the right time. My best wishes. And if you want to score 100 out of 100, do write it in the comments and I will be cheering for you. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.